wear out too. I can wear out too.
Okay, hold here.
Okay.
Good job.
I can wear it. I'm squishing it.
Daddy's taking a picture.
I see Mason.
Okay, here, Mommy gets to go this way.
Okay.
Look out.
Okay. I will make it.
Okay, don't push. I have a little toddler handprint in her.
We can bring Ellie in here.
We gotta bring Ellie in here, huh? Yeah, she's in there making noise, huh? Okay, hang on. You put it down on the wrong side, Mason.
Yeah.
Okay, see the little skinny side goes down, okay? Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, ready? Here, help Mommy push it. Good job. Okay, you want to do that one? Hang on. Let me place it.
Okay.
Okay, help Mommy push it. Good job. You want to do this one?
Yep.
Okay. Hang on. Okay, help Mommy push it.
Okay.
Good job.
I like those.
You like those?
Mm.
Want to do that one too?
Yep.
Okay, here, we'll do snowman first.
With the cake.
Yeah, we'll do snowman first. Ready?
Yep.
Here, you gonna help Mommy push it down?
Yep.
There you go. Good job.
I want to do this one.
Okay.
Side one. And this one first. Where that one go?
This one right here. Push it down. Ready?
Yep.
Good job.
I want to do this one. Oh, see Mason. Oh, see Mason on that go.
Okay, ready? Put it down. Good job.
Oh, see Mason, Daddy.
Okay, one more.
Yep.
Ready?
Good
job.
Make some.
Okay,